Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Metaphor ReFantazio game stuck on loading screen. Guys, first solution is verify game files. So simply open up your Steam, then just click on the Metaphor ReFantazio game, then just click on the gear icon of your game, then go to your game properties. Now click on the install file, then just click on the option of verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just update graphic drivers. Ensure that your graphic drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause loading issues. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel for the latest drivers. Once you updated your drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then run the game as an administrator. So simply open up the Steam, go to game properties, click on the start files, click on the browse option. Now here just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and click on the properties. Now go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box. Also uncheck this box and just check this box of administrator. Now just click on the apply, then launch the game, then see problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just check this box or disable full screen optimization. Then click on the apply, now launch the game, then see. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can check this box or compatibility mode, choose the Windows 8. Now launch the game, then see problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution that you can try is disable background applications. So close unnecessary background application that may interfere with the game performance. This includes overlay from software like GeForce or the NVIDIA. So simply open up the Steam, then just click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now here you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just turn it off, then launch the game, then see. If your problem is still not fixed, then just disable the Discord overlay. If Discord is installed on your PC, then just disable the Discord overlay. This is very important. Then launch the game, then see problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then just check firewall by antivirus setting. Make sure that your firewall is not blocking your game. So go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows security. It will appear on the top, so simply open it. Now just click on the virus, then just scroll down, click on the manage ransomware protection. Now just turn off the control folder access. Now launch the game, then see problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is lower graphics setting. If you can get into the game setting, try starting the game in the lower resolution or graphic mode. Reduce the graphics setting to see if it helps with the loading issues. Now, the next solution is reinstall the game. As a last resort, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the game. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files or configuration. Now try all of the solution and see which fixes your problem, and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.